everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. And today in this video we will discuss like what are the important topics or the questions which can come in our midterm exam, you can say. This will help you a lot. So carefully watch till the end. See, the first thing which can come compulsory in exam, that is theorem. Theorem that can come for 4 mark or 5 marks, and this theorem can be a BPT or it can be a Pythagoras theorem. See, most of the time they have asked these questions only, like basic proportionality theorem or Pythagoras theorem. So most chances are there that they can ask the question from this only. Second, and there will be a one more theorem. This theorem will be a for 3 mark, and this theorem is from circle chapter. And you know that you know tangent drawn from an external point are equal, like that theorem, a very easy. Tangents are equal from an external point, like you have to prove two triangles congruent, and then like two tangents are equal by CPCT. Third, these are the easiest topic, like which every kind of a student can do, like the person who is weak in maths, they also can practice this and they can score good marks. Construction, you will get one question of a triangle to construct a similar triangle, that is for 3 mark. Okay, and another question you will get to draw tangents. Okay, that is also even for 3 mark. So total 6 mark, or you can say 5 mark, 2 mark and 3 mark question also can come. Fourth one is like graph. Linear equation in two variable. Easiest graph, they will give like two equation like this: x plus 2y is equal to some number. Like just this is an just an example. And another one like 2x plus y is equal to something like any number. I'm not sure with this question, but just any number. And this question come for 4 mark. Fifth, a real numbers chapter, if you see real numbers, normally one question compulsory: prove that root 5 is irrational number, root 3, root 7. You can, any one question. This is for 3 mark. And one more question comes from that. If this they do not give, then they may give 3 plus root 5 or 2 root 5, that kind of question. Okay, so this is one, one part. Or one more question, what can from this, like find HCF and LCM. This one question will come very easy, like Euclid division lemma method, or you can say prime factorization method. And even the question can come based on that, like which is terminating or non-terminating, that question, terminating or non-terminating. Based on that, the q should be in the form of 2 power n into 5 power n, so that question can come. So sixth one, next category, from the linear equations, one question will come for 2 mark, that is any one method. Like normally we use elimination method, like one question they will give by using any method, that is for 2 mark. Find x and y. Okay, to find what? X and y. One elimination method will come, or you can say substitution method. And one question, one more question will come from verbal questions. Verbal question in the sense, like based on age question, age question is there, or uh, one supplementary question is there, supplementary angle. So based on age can come, or that supplementary angle question can come, or even that question can come which we like library question about books or about hostel charges, correct, or taxi per kilometer. So these questions you should learn for 3 mark. These questions can come, so you cannot miss this, right? This is for 3 mark. Next, if we see seventh topic, then in that we will get AP. If you see arithmetic progression, a simple question they will give like 2 comma 5 comma 8 so on. Find sum of 20 terms, sum of 20 terms. So a very easy, like a is equal to 2, d is equal to 3, yes 20, by using the formula Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 of d. If you use that formula, you will get, this is for 2 mark. And one more question will come which will be a 4 mark question from the same chapter. Bit difficult maybe, but that normally they used to give from sum. Yeah, other like this kind of question like sum of a fourth term and sixth term is equal to 30 and all. But if you have a good basic practice though, then only you can do. Okay, but still it is eighth. If you see a eighth one, yeah. Next, yeah, and again, if I like, I missed in element linear equation, like they give whether the lines are consistent or inconsistent. So that question, consistent or inconsistent is very easy. You just need to remember a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then it is intersecting. If it is intersecting consistent, a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, then it is parallel line, and if it is parallel line, then no solution. a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 equals to c1 by c2, then it is coincident, and if it is coincident, again a consistent will come. Here consistent and here consistent, it will be inconsistent here. So this question compulsory will come for 2 mark. So if we count the marks, like here 2 marks total, this is 2. Okay, if you don't consider this question, like normally this will be little tough, but it require practice, but don't consider that. Other question if you consider, then 2 plus 2 4 plus 3 7, 7, then this is 9, this 11, 13. Okay, 13, and this is 16, 20, 23, 26, 30, 33. See, this is what like I gave you the paper like around 33 marks or more than that, right? But these are these are the fixed things which are going to come in your exam. These are the fixed things which are going to come, and obviously you will be having uh, you know based on MCQs will be there. So like passing mark are around 50 marks. Like you can easily score it if you prepare in this way. And if you have an area related to circle chapter, then they are going to give a one question which is based on formula, like area of sector. A very simple question they make you, area of sector to find, area of sector. So which theta by 360 into pi r square. So that question they can on that base, theta by 360 into pi r square, they can give this kind of a questions. So like approximate, if you consider even this for 2 mark, then I showed you around 35 marks paper, right? So just prepare well and all the very best for your exams. If you have any queries, I am there to help you out. Thank you so much.